This is how most of you use ChatGPT. Give me 10 video ideas for email marketing. That shit doesn't work. The response will be as generic as your prompt. In this video, I'm going to show you the right way to use ChatGPT to get video topics that resonate with your target market and help build trust and credibility and familiarity. And in this example, we're going to help out my homie, Haley Little. All right, so today Haley posted this carousel on LinkedIn, which is the perfect piece of content to execute this strategy. It's very comprehensive. It has multiple information in here, 14 pages with a bunch of different strategies. This is exactly what we're looking for. So I took the liberty of downloading this carousel, and we're going to take it over to ChatGPT. We're going to attach it from my computer here, Haley's carousel. Perfect. So we're going to paste in this prompt. Hey chat, attached is a PDF that I created for a LinkedIn carousel. Based on its content, please provide me with 10 topics for 30-second short form videos for LinkedIn. And we are going to let it go to work. Here we go. All right, let's take a look at some of the responses here. Number one, how to use LinkedIn to build your email list fast. Pretty good. The power of opt-ins, how a simple phrase drives subscriptions. Very good creating curiosity. Creating curiosity loops in LinkedIn posts for maximum engagement. Great topic. Offer exclusive gifts to grow your email list. Another good one. Using outreach with lead magnets on LinkedIn. The importance of linking back to your newsletter in LinkedIn posts. Why you should create a free email course to grow your list. The secrets to clean LinkedIn profile. One link, one focus. Value first approach, delivering on your promises in LinkedIn post, and it's never too early to start building your email list. Every single one of these is a highly targeted, significant, quality topic for Haley and her audience. ChatGPT did a really good job of this. But why did they do such a good job? Because it is literally her content. It is literally her words that gave her this information. We're not starting from scratch. We're not starting from generics. We're starting from something that already has your stamp of approval on this. A carousel works, a newsletter works, a long form YouTube video works, even a longer LinkedIn post with multiple tips in there could potentially work to execute on this strategy. Now, if we even want to take this a step further, we can use this prompt. Please write a script for topic number 3 for a short form video around 30 seconds. Use similar language and tone that I used in the carousel. Done. So it's going to take topic number 3, which is creating curiosity loops. And here we go. Want to boost your LinkedIn engagement? Here's the trick. Curiosity loops. Okay. Here's the deal. People love to stay curious. So when you're sharing tips, drop a hint about what's coming next. For example, tease your next email like, tomorrow I'm breaking down the full strategy. Make sure you're subscribed. This keeps your audience wanting more. The key is to leave the loop open. Build the trust by closing in your emails. Ready to give this a try? Boom. Follow for more growth tips. This is a really good start for what she can do to create a video. I obviously would not do this video exactly as is, but this is a really good outline. And if she can do this for 9 other posts and turn each one of them into a 30-second video, that is your video content essentially for an entire month, all from one post that you already created that already speaks to your ideal client. It already hits on the problems that they have. It already hits on the problems that you solve for them. This is how you repurpose content effectively using AI tools. Stop giving it generics, give it your own stuff, and you can get outputs that are really outstanding. And speaking of curiosity loops, make sure you subscribe to this channel because in my next video, I am going to show you how to get 40 highly targeted ideas for your niche in 30 seconds. See ya.